Hello, this is my grandfather's shirt, which I inherited. It's a little bit threadbare and has a couple of holes in it. It's kind of see-through now too, and I wanted to paint it. Here in Japan, avocados come wrapped in this black plastic stuff, and I thought it had a cool pattern and I really wanted to use it. So I used some acrylic paint mixed with water. So I just used a paintbrush here with the paint, mixed it up real well, and then painted it onto this plastic net stuff. At first I did it really carefully, but as we move on you'll see that I mixed it with a little bit more water and did it fast because I was worried it was all drying up a little bit too fast. And then I just press it down onto the fabric slightly carefully, but I knew going into this that this is not going to be like a perfect screen print or something. There are going to be some imperfections, but I like that and I wanted to just give this plastic a second life. Again, I need to like recycle this anyway, but it just seems so sad. It's got such a nice pattern. And it seems like such a waste. Like, really, did my avocado need this plastic styrofoam weird net pillow? I don't think so. Like, they're sold in bags elsewhere. Again, plastic. Can they not just come in something else, please, Japan?
Stop the plastic.
So the reason why I decided to do this, by the way, apart from wanting to reuse the plastic, and despite the fact that this shirt already had screen printing ink on it from previous encounters, I've become obsessed with making sure that all of my clothes are red. It's just easy to match, it's my favorite color, looks good on the girl. So for me, this is a way to help me wear my grandfather's shirt again. It's really great to wear in the summer here in Japan. It gets really mushiatsui, which is like humid hot, and because it's so like thin and lightweight, it's super nice to wear in the summer, but it's a little bit see-through, which I don't really mind, but maybe other people mind. So not only am I making it red here for myself, but I'm also adding a cool print, which slightly camouflages the fact that it's so see-through. You can't really see my bra now, which is cool, I guess. Anyway, I'm just printing all over it here, willy-nilly, topping up the paint as I go along. Nothing real perfect here, but it's fun, it's cool, it's interesting. This is like my summer shirt, you know, I don't wear this to work like a freak, don't worry. Then probably need to iron it afterwards, although it is all acrylic, so not totally necessary. But if you decided to use screen printing ink, for example, mixed with water, which is something I have done before as well, you will need to iron it once it dries just to set that ink. Again, you can just do it anyway, even if it's not screen printing ink. Then here I'm just wiping the excess ink off the plastic onto my orange skirt, which is my like screen printing skirt. I wipe everything off on it. And here's the finished product. I've got my summer hat, I've got my new summer shirt. Woohoo! Looks cool. Nice job.